Hey everyone, welcome back to the Enthusiast Mechanic. So today we have another one of these weird cases that it just started making noise. Now we are underneath a 2002 GMC Yukon, basically Tahoe, anything this platform. You can see the muffler, at least that was part of the muffler, is right there. And then the other half of the muffler is right here on the floor. Now you can see this started making noise just today apparently, which is clearly not the case. Now this vehicle owner says it just started making noise, but this thing's been leaking for a while. It's all rotted up and neglected. You can see it's pretty bad. So anyway, just want to share this with you guys. Mechanics will always be able to tell the difference when it started making noise versus when you claim it did. So get your car serviced before it happens to you.